Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. In this lesson, we will match pictures to names of environments, listen to descriptions and identify pictures, identify keywords in listening texts, complete descriptions. Let's study some environments. What is this environment? Can you see in this picture? Yes, it's a desert. What are deserts covered with? Yes, rocks, stones, and sand. Look at this environment. It's a cold place. Where are cold places? Cold places are the Antarctic and the Arctic. It is all covered in ice. What is this environment in the picture? It's grassland. What is the weather like in grassland? Grasslands are very hot. It usually rains a lot in one season. What plants grow there? There are lots of grasses, trees, and bushes. What is this environment? It's rainforest. There are lots of trees grow close together. They are usually hot wet places where there is a lot of rain all through the year. Look at Activity 1 on page 28 of your class book. Look, listen, and match. Match the four pictures of the environments to the names in the box at the bottom of the page. Note, there are two extra names in the box. Now, you stop the video. You have 2 minutes to do this task. Check your answers. Picture number A. Yes, it's a cold place. Picture B. Rainforest. Excellent. Picture C. Grassland. Picture D. Desert. What can you remember about these different environments? Okay, you are going to hear information about the different environments in the pictures. Identify which environment is being described. Write down any keywords that help you identify the environment.
Listening 3.5.
These are very dry places where there is very little rain. Lots of these places are covered in sand, but some are covered in stones and rock. Because there is so little water, only a few plants and animals can live here. Picture D. Desert.
The coldest places on Earth are the Antarctic and the Arctic. The Antarctic is a frozen continent that is covered in ice. The Arctic is a frozen ocean surrounded by low land. In the Arctic, the land is frozen during the winter. But in the summer, the ice melts, and for a short time, small plants grow here. Picture A. Cold place. These are huge areas of flat land covered by grasses.
Some trees and small bushes grow here. They are usually hot, dry places where there is very little rain. Picture C. Grassland.
These are large areas of land, in places near the equator, where lots of trees grow close together. They are usually hot, wet places where there is a lot of rain all through the year. Picture B. Rainforest.
Look at Activity 1 on page 31 of your skills book. Look, read, and match. Match each of these descriptions to the pictures on page 28 of your class book. Write the picture letter and the name of the environment above each description. Okay, check your answers. Number 1, it's very cold and there is snow and ice for most of the year. Yes, it's a cold place. Number A. 2, it rains very little. It's usually very hot and dry. Yes, it's desert. Number D. 3, it's never cold. It's always hot and wet. Rainforest. B. 4, it only rains a few times a year. It's usually hot and dry. Grassland. Number C. Look at Activity 2 on page 31 of your skills book. Think and label. Label each of these pictures with one of the words in the world. Yes, the words are hot, wet, dry, cold. Check your answers. Number 1. Yes, this environment is dry. Number 2. It is hot. 3. It is wet. There is rain. 4. It is cold. Look at Activity 1 on page 33 of your skills book. Read and complete. Complete the description of grasslands using the words in the giraffe. Now, you have just 4 minutes to read the sentences and complete them with words from the giraffe. Now check your answers. Number 1. Where are grasslands? There are grasslands in Africa, Asia, Australia, North and South America, and the south of Europe. 2. What is the weather like? Grasslands are very hot. It usually rains a lot in one season. 3. What animals live there? In the grasslands in Africa, there are elephants, zebras, giraffes, and lots of other wild animals. 4. What plants grow there? There are lots of grasses and some trees and bushes. With my best wishes, I am Adil Gaber Mikhail. Goodbye and good luck.